Hello, this is Dr. Hasan Abdullah with a video on the personalized learning management system. This is the platform on which number of courses have been developed, and understanding the usage of this platform will significantly help in getting the most out of those video lectures and video courses. This is video number one, which is the content coverage and navigation. So how the content is covered and how to navigate throughout this tool using this. So these are these 6 videos which will cover certain features of this tool, and this lecture is about the how the content is organized and what the courses are and so on. So let's move on to the learning management system itself. So we are at the learning management system, and I will briefly explain the features, what this means that is in another lecture. So right now we are restricting ourselves to the navigation. So there are different courses here. So if you click on any of these buttons, it's going to, or these links, it's going to take you to that course, and which is organized like a book also, you can say. So we have these topics, right? So the subject is analysis of algorithms. Okay, and this is the table of contents, and this is the number of questions and answers for this topic. So I'll go over it, and if you go back, we see that there's another course, data structures and algorithms, and I click on it. So again, this is the table of contents for data structures, algorithms, and generic programming. And here is something slightly different, that in addition to the topic and this topic, there are subtopics also, right? And at the end, there are practice questions and answers, practice quizzes. That is covered in another video lecture. So let's take a look at it. So if I click on generic programming, it is going to show me all the questions and answers, 23 of them. But when I click on the subtopic, it's going to show me only the questions and answers for this subtopic. So let's, for example, click on generic programming. I click on generic programming and I see that this is, you are currently working as a guest. I will tell you in another lecture video that what is the purpose of this guest and not being a guest. So this is the course and the topic is generic programming. This button search, if you click on it, it will take you back to the main home page. Close all will also explain. So right now there are 23 questions and answers, out of which 1 to 5 are displayed. That is 21.74% of the entire questions and answers for this uh, topic. So you see that 5 questions are displayed here. So we have the statement of the question, and when you click on it, it is going to tell you the answer in a multiple levels. This is the difficulty level of this question itself, and this is the approximate reading time. This is approximate reading time. Okay. So for navigation, if I click on this button at the extreme right, it's going to take me to the last screen with the question and answers. This will take me to the next screen. This will take me to the middle of the question and answers, and this to back. So if I click on, say, for the middle, okay, so the question and answer displayed are starting from 12. Okay, so up till, so it means say up till 11 question and answers, 69.57%, including this, are covered or kind of displayed. So if I click on next one, so from 16 I go to 17, and it ends at 21 starting from 17. If I click on this one, this button, it takes me to the last screen. Okay, right. So, and of course I cannot go further, so these buttons are non-active. Okay, at the bottom you can see these green buttons. So these green buttons basically take to the table of contents to the of the course itself. So for example, ALG is algorithm and DS is data structure. So if I click on data structure DS, it takes me to the table of contents of data structures and algorithms. So we are back to from where we were starting. So if I click on, say, for example, containers, or say, for example, we looked at the 23 questions of generic programming. So let's click on container. So now I have the subject is data structure algorithms, topic is generic programming, and subtopic is container. So now instead of 23 questions, we are looking at the 6 question and answers. So on the screen, 5 of them are displayed, and the sixth one is displayed on the next screen. So total 100%, 6 to 6. This is the navigation. Now more on navigation. Say for example, if I go to again go to data structures, right, and select the option of list stacks and queues. Now when we move, you see this red button is going to appear. So what this red button is going to do is going to take you to the top, and from top you can click on search and you can reach the main home page. So that's all for this on navigation. Thank you very much.